Welcome to the Twin Waters User Guide. After installation, simply double-click the desktop icon to launch the application, and the loading screen will appear. Once you see an aerial view of the site, you can start interacting. Click and hold the left mouse button and drag it across the screen to freely adjust the view angle. Use the slider on the right side of the screen to adjust the zoom level. Alternatively, you can use the mouse wheel to zoom in smaller increments. To pan across the site, navigate the mouse to any road or park surface on the site and click the right mouse button to center the desired location on the screen. By clicking on Explore in the menu bar, navigation options other than the default aerial view can be accessed. Clicking on Ground View and double-clicking on a specific part of the site allows you to set down to the ground. On the ground, use the WASD or arrow keys on your keyboard to walk across the site. You can look around freely by clicking, holding, and dragging the mouse across the screen. An additional way to navigate the site from an aerial vantage point is to launch a drone. The drone can be steered using the WASD or arrow keys, similar to the walking mode. Pressing the spacebar will cause the drone to gain altitude, while pressing the left control key will lower its altitude. By default, the drone will fly at a moderate speed. Press and hold the left shift key to accelerate. Clicking the Measure tab in the menu bar will access a number of measurement tools. The point-to-point measurement tool allows the user to accurately measure the distance between 2 points by simply adjusting the distance and locking the measurement in place by clicking the left mouse button. Measurements can be edited or deleted as required. The Height Measurement tool facilitates the measurement of freestanding objects and can display any height entered in the value field. From a higher vantage point, the Radius tool allows the user to place a center point anywhere on the site and drag out a circle with the desired radius, with its distance in meters indicated above the center point. Measurements can be edited or deleted as required. At any point in time, the capture feature in the menu bar allows you to take a snapshot of the scene. Exit this menu to take as many additional perspectives as desired. All snapshots can be viewed independently at the bottom left side of the screen. You're able to use the available tools to mark up each perspective. For example, by highlighting areas, adding text annotations, and using the scribble tool to select a color and draw on the perspective. To export the marked up perspectives to a PDF file, click the PDF icon in the menu. All drawings and annotations will be visible in your PDF viewer. Click on the Site tab and on Hide Foliage to remove all trees from the site. Clicking the Set Tree Heights button will toggle between 20 to 25 meter trees and 10 to 15 meter trees to simulate the visual impact over time. The Show Council Buffer button will increase the buffer zone, which can be reverted to the proposed Stockland buffer zone. The Roadside Visual Impact button will take the user down to the road as a motorist, with the ability to view the scenery using the mouse as before. The pause button can be used to stop in traffic, and the car symbol on the slider can be used to move to any point along the road. Press play to resume driving. The switch direction button on the bottom of the screen will place the driver on the other side of the road. In this mode, the buffer zones or any other site conditions can be viewed from the perspective of a motorist by clicking the respective buttons in the menu bar. Additionally, the user can view the infrastructure from the perspective of a tram. Or even a bicycle by selecting the respective view mode in the vehicle menu. The slider can always be used to move along the path. The overlay menu enables the user to display and hide the site boundary, and assist with the communication of site features by overlaying the concept master plan. Hiding the master plan will return to the 3D view of the site. Additionally, the lot breakdown plan, as well as the council buffer plan, can be viewed. These overlays can be explored in more detail using the usual exploration modes available throughout the application. To launch this user guide from within the interactive environment, simply click the question mark icon in the top right corner of the screen, and the exit icon beside it to close the application.